BittyBrush. Trick or treat, today we are drawing Dracula's castle. Boo! Do you like Halloween? Towers. Door. Window. Round window. Let's paint the castle in purple color. This castle will be haunted. The roof is black. The door is brown. Let's paint the windows yellow. Wow, what a castle we got! Happy Halloween!